Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's Sunday, July 1st, 2018, and I'm going to take a minute or a moment to go ahead and repot this. This is an Ischia Black I started in March 15th of 2017, and I wasn't sure it was going to make it because it was showing no activity for a long time, and you can see there the cutting, the original cutting. There's just nothing happening with the tip of it, although it has a tinge of green to it. But it eventually put out a shoot from underneath the soil line, and look at the roots there. So I've been meaning to give this some nice growing room for this summer, so I've been holding it off and leaving it in this cup with the foil. And let me put it in a little bit larger pot with some more soil, and we'll take a look at it in August. So today's July 1st, so July, August, maybe even September. We'll see what type of progress this makes over this summer, 2018. So I already have a container with a coffee filter on the bottom there. Get some soil mixed up already. I just watered this, so hopefully it's going to release out of this container. It's mostly all bark and perlite. Okay, so I got it to release. You can see how chunky this mixture is here. Look at the roots underneath. So I'm not going to do anything with that. I'm just going to put it, center that a little bit, and fill it with soil all around. So I'm going to put some bark on top of that. And I'll water that in, and we'll take a look at this in 3 months. And one last thing before I forget, I've got the label here. I thought I'd mention the cutting. I started 3/15/2017, and then I put it in this trade gallon on July 1st, 2018. There we go.